Hi, it's Amy from Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you crochet Valentine patterns. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so this will be perfect for you. I will have all of the crochet patterns listed down below so you can take a look in this video to grab the pattern. So on my blog, Amy's DIY Frugal Life, I have a listing of crochet heart patterns and Valentine patterns. And if you click on all of the red links for each title, for each pattern, it will take you there. This beautiful crochet heart pattern is easy to do. It has a YouTube video. You just click on the link. Here is a really nice crochet basket. You can add goodies right inside. And there is a video and pattern. Just click right on it. It will take you right to the pattern. Crochet heart purse. It has a YouTube video with the pattern. Wonderful for kids. You can add their Valentine's cards and candy. Just add the two hearts together with a nice handle. A beautiful heart pattern with a video tutorial to help you. And also, this is great for beginners, a step-by-step pattern. A small crochet heart, great for beginners. 4 crochet hearts, different types of patterns, and there are different types of stitches for those. 4 crochet hearts in 4 different sizes. This is perfect for beginners. Crochet fun fur heart. Add fun fur around the border of the heart. Crochet bobble stitch heart square. You could attach them together and make a purse or a blanket. Crochet heart coasters, perfect for your mugs and your cups. This offers an easy step-by-step pattern. Crochet heart goodie bag. This one is by Crocheted Simplicity, a great way to add goodies and cards and all types of Valentines inside your bag. Crochet treat bags by Blackstone Designs. With these fun bags, they can add their pencils and their papers and Valentines. This is so ideal for that. Another crochet heart bag, great for treats by Moogly. I love how it has a little tie in the front, and your kids can use this for all their goodies. Crochet Valentine's tissue box cover and mailbox by Joe to the World. A crochet corner to corner envelope by I Love Knots. This is fun for kids to place their Valentine cards inside. Crochet love notes by Blackstone Designs. This is wonderful for the kids in the classroom. Crochet heart stitch hat for all ages and sizes. There is a YouTube video for this for a step-by-step pattern. This type of hat is perfect all year round, not just for Valentine's Day. Crochet heart headband by Stitching Together. This cute crochet headband is perfect for any child. By the Unraveled Mitten, this is a beautiful crochet heart cowl. This crochet cowl is perfect for a gift, great for the holidays, and it looks so beautiful when finished. To navigate my blog, you just go to the top of the header there to the menu and click on the arrow. A drop box menu will appear, and you can click on the category you would like for each crochet pattern. And then I have a couple of other different categories like Valentine's Day, and crafts and DIY and patterns. Down below will also be a link for these crochet heart pillow patterns, and all you have to do is go to the red title and click on it for the pattern. All of these patterns talked about today are free. I really want to make this plush pillow. All of these crochet heart pillows would look so nice in our homes. The patterns also would make for great gifts. I hope you enjoyed all of these crochet Valentine patterns. All of these patterns are listed down below, and this will help you get ready for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. So happy Valentine's Day, and thank you for watching.